The Microsoft Power BI Analyst program is an excellent resource to start your career, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional looking to improve your skills. Data is the driving force behind this ever-changing modern world, shaping and developing industries and society. It has transformed the way institutions operate, from banks and hospitals to schools and supermarkets. And for businesses, data is everything. It informs decisions and helps create value for customers. Content streaming services analyze data to decide what content to promote. Social media services analyze data to determine what products their customers are interested in. And your local supermarket gathers and analyzes data to ensure the products you want are available. The result of having all this data is that professional analysts are required to process and sort it to gain the insights that drive both the business and social worlds. Are you intrigued by this career field and wondering how to get started? Let's meet two other students who have just begun their careers in entry-level positions. Discover how and why they have chosen to embark upon career paths in this field with Microsoft and Coursera. Lucas, a recent information technology graduate, is currently searching for his first IT job. He is eager to secure a position in the IT sector that offers good earning potential and a quick career progression. He wants to work full-time in data analysis as he feels this career would offer both benefits. During his degree, he found working with and analysing cloud-based data to be the most enjoyable element, hence his focus on this career path. Lucas currently works shifts in a warehouse environment, so he will need the flexibility of self-paced learning. His earnings are low, so he wants to achieve the qualification using the same basic laptop he relied upon as a student. Despite being a beginner, Lucas has already mapped out his career and certification path and is enrolled in the Microsoft Power BI Analyst program. He plans to apply for an entry-level position as a data analyst once he has successfully completed the program and passed the PL300 exam. As a data analyst, he will inspect data, identify key business insights for new business opportunities, and help solve business problems. Amelia has been working as an administrative assistant in sales and marketing since leaving high school. Now that a few years have passed, she is ready to embark upon a new career path. In her current role, Amelia has seen Power BI reports and dashboards created by colleagues and shared with the team. She was impressed at how the information was used to shape and focus the sales campaigns. This sparked an interest in a career in data analysis. Amelia's job requires her to work long hours, so the ability to structure her own learning path is vital. She also has a long commute, so would like to access e-learning through her smartphone or tablet. Pursuing the Power BI Analyst qualification will showcase her dedication and help her apply for more senior roles in the department in the short term. Amelia doesn't have a scientific background, but she finds IT concepts logical and easy to understand. So she is embarking on the Microsoft Power BI Analyst program, as it doesn't assume a pre-existing high level of technical knowledge. In the long term, she hopes to secure an entry-level role as a Power BI analyst. As a Power BI analyst, she will be responsible for building data models, creating data assets like reports and dashboards, and ensuring data requirements are met. You may be in a similar position to Lucas and Amelia and possess an interest in this exciting field of data analysis. Like them, you can begin your career in this field by enrolling in the Microsoft Power BI Analyst program. This will be the start of your new adventure. Good luck with your learning journey.